Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Walk on everybody, I know I like the new editing on him something there. I'm on the new computer. I got a new computer right now. I got the latest computer that's out from Apple. Fully loaded. This is an editing beast. Be a pass a box for me, the computer box. Me get the computer here and I get a camera. Right now me and her got Best Buy. Yeah. And a bag of stuff. This is my baby, guys. I told you I was gonna get one. I got it. So journey with me as we do it for the vlog. And think we're gonna run some errands and we're going to Best Buy. Me and my shorty. You see me? So wanna see the vlog I edit upon the new computer. So all of this the whole computer make me go on so bad. You see me? Effects. So now go get effects, transition and bass something. Watch now. 1, 2, 3, go! So vlog girl, we're here. You know which part we go? You wanna look around first? So we just reached Best Buy and we're gonna look around right now. She'll go look on some camera. Me I look on camera equipment and she'll go see what she want. I'm not spend nothing today. I don't know yet. But I do it for vlog. I don't know how I do it. Why you look at me like that?
Don't you have something to pick up?
Oh yeah, me have something to pick up. So vlog, right now we're there at the pickup section waiting to pick up the things that I got for equipment purpose, for shooting purpose. As me say, me go get a camera so I can look out for that too. I get one of the latest camera them out right now. And booyah. Gotta find exactly what more. Me get a 1 terabyte hard drive too. Forgot to tell you that. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, guess what I go on. So as you know, me just walked back from Best Buy. As you know, talk about the computer, get it. Talk about a camera, we get it. And look at light, studio light, extra battery, and bass up. So no know me no forward, me not laugh. Me not laugh for the road. You see me? Me have the latest camera and the latest battery. You have the latest camera and the latest battery. Me have the latest camera and the latest computer right now. So when I don't know I'm mad pre right now, I'm ready. Like when I tell you I'm ready for shoot, I want to shoot right now. Don't come out here naked, I'm vlogging. I'm so forward back. So as I was saying, the thing them reach. So we get new equipment. I'm so excited to work. I don't know when I'm gonna shoot yet, but I will want to shoot right now. Tonight my girlfriend and we're going to celebrate. And no, I not get no money. Nobody no ask me if I have money or I get money or them here are strictly for business. As you know, Trabass production. So work I put in, you see me? This is what I do. And as I say, I live what I do now. So sacrifice I figure make. Bills I go get paid, but sacrifice I figure make. So I buy the latest camera cost me. I don't know how much that cost me. It cost me a lot. And I did just know the latest one with a 1 terabyte. I have a 1 terabyte hard drive too when I buy. The Canon, the latest Canon out right now, me have lights, me have sound, me have lens. So my lens them right there so cost off $800, $1,500. Me have a red ring one. Uno not in them something so no. Memory hard drive. I only thing investing on this right now, so me and my girlfriend about to go out. She's about to take me out, you know.
No, I'm not.
You not? Out on a date right now. I don't know if them are gonna allow us to eat food at this time, quite late. And whenever I feel like to cook today, because I did up on the road. I do one bag run up and down, she up on the phone right now. on a call. Bye, soon come back. She want to go to the movies, but me no know. Think we're far from the movies, you know. No, we're not that far actually. But I think she want to go to the movies, but we're here. I hope me not get copyright, but we're here out on a date right now, me and her. Like we always do. You see me? You remember back in the earlier vlog them? When me and a girl used to go at the beach, it was she all this time. So me couldn't know a little secret. Me never had to show her face. Me that carry out way before then. But then when me start show up on the vlog at them time then, me I go make this shot because I don't know if this is going to pick up as copyright. So far.
Hey,
You never
you
won.
said no.
Me never know you said take one. So people will just left Bahama breeze. How we thief when I cup them. We never don't drink. So we put one heap of liquor in it. Why you want show them?
No, let's go to the car first.
Okay, yeah, true. We're going to we are gone. Miras. We care there, for real. Oh, sit there. Hi baby. All this, let me start it. Keep the camera on the car. Watch out, people. Who know watch out. Stay away there. Stay.
Yo. You're crazy.
My baby's on. So vlog world. We officially reached home and about to call it a night. We had fun and it was fun today. As you can see, I got everything I wanted. The camera, the computer, mic, memory card, SD drive. It was a lot, you see me? Thanks everybody who watch. Continue to watch. I'm belly full. You see me? Today vlog did more exciting. Tomorrow, I go vlog with the new camera. For you to see the vlogging features on it. The profile from out of the camera. Before I do it the movie way. Like, do it flat. I go shoot with it for probably tomorrow. I'm gonna see how it look and the quality of it. And then, yeah, go on. We're about to call it a night because it's late right now, really late in the night. And she got work, and I got work too. I gotta wake up at 4. Some of y'all don't know I'll be waking up at 4.
That's too early.
For you.
You waking up at 4 tomorrow? Why?
We stole a glass, people. I can't believe it. We stole a glass. I'm a criminal. She made me do it. Peer pressure is a motherfucker. Hey, I like a still in this now with you. Smearing off on it. It's a look refreshing. Ooh. No lie, I think me invent one drink, you know. What is his name again?
Coconut mojito.
Coconut mojito.
Yep.
And then add Smirnoff to it. Minty and lime in it. Not minty. Mint? Think I mint this. Yeah, man. Oh Lord, I'm lit tonight. What are you doing on my side?
Tonight. You recording over there.
You want a sip?
Mm-hmm.
Don't drink it off, okay? It's mine. So vlog girl, we're gonna end the vlog like this. Another day, another vlog. Thanks for watching. I'm going mad up on yourself.
Yeah.
Feed me. What you doing, you know?
I'm watching.
Mad up on yourself, I'm going to do it for you, like I'm out.
Me I try fi elevate. Me really want fi elevate. Oh. Me I try fi elevate. Me know me I go elevate. Oh.